Setting an Instagram story to close friends allows you to share content with a select group of people, providing an extra layer of privacy and control over who sees your posts. To start, open the Instagram app and navigate to your profile page by tapping the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Tap the three lines in the top right corner and select Settings from the menu. Scroll down to the Account section and tap on Close Friends. If you have not created a close friends list yet, you will be prompted to add people to this list. You can do this by selecting friends from your followers list. Once you have created your close friends list, go back to the Instagram home screen and tap the plus icon in the top right corner to create a new story. Take a photo or video, or select one from your gallery. You can then add text, drawings, or other effects to your story as desired. When you are ready to post your story, tap the Send to button in the bottom right corner. You will see the option to share with everyone, or to share with your close friends list. Select Close Friends to share your story only with the people on that list. You can also switch between sharing with everyone and sharing with close friends for each individual story. This allows you to have more control over who sees each post, and to share different types of content with different groups of people. By using the Close Friends feature on Instagram, you can share more personal or exclusive content with a smaller group of people, while still being able to share more public content with your wider audience. This helps to keep your Instagram stories organized and ensures that you are sharing the right content with the right people.